Hey guys, this is a Duke and Boone hunting blind, and there's the look of it right there. One thing that's nice, I'm gonna do a little unboxing and review on this. It's got a little carrying handle for the box there. That's really nice. So here's the dimensions on it: 66 inches tall, 72 inches wide, 58 inches at the base, and then it's got a 3-person hub blind. Backpack carry bag, ground stakes, tie down ropes. Here's some of the features of it. Camouflage, of course. Got your stakes and ropes. I'm gonna try to save this box on this thing, so go ahead and get it cut open and let's take a look at it and see what we got going on here. This is really nice. It's got a bag. It's got a backpack type of carry bag, 2 straps on there. Nice and light. That's gonna be great. You can have your hunting bag and just throw this right on your back too. Looking good so far. Let's see what we got in here. All right, there's our bag right there. Got our stakes and ropes in that thing. Here we go. Looks like this thing folds out just like a darn pop-up. Pretty sweet. All right, the directions that came with it they're a little beat up. That's okay. I can still figure out what they mean here. But just in case you either lost your directions or I don't know, whatever, can't read. Anyway, here's the setup. So it says to remove your blind from the carry sack and lay it on the ground, which we've done. Okay, and then locate the top by unfolding the blind, letting the corners fall to the ground. And then engage the top hub by pulling firmly on the handle. And then we're going to locate the web handles on the sidewalls and begin to engage each hub by pulling firmly on the web handle. When all 4 sidewalls are engaged, the blind is ready for use. I'm so excited to use this thing for, I'm going to use it for turkey hunting this year and then deer also. So let's try to see if we can do what they're talking about here. Let's go over the takedown. All right, you guys, the trick here is to get it in this kind of position. And to do that, you want those flaps kind of on the ground. See that? And this is the handle that they're talking about. There's actually a couple of them. So at first, when you're doing this, it's a little confusing. What I'm doing is I'm stepping on this a little bit and pulling up on this. See what that's doing is it's gonna uncollapse all these legs as they push out and then they'll lock out. You can kind of see what I'm doing there. That's what's going on. But there's another handle right here too you can use and pull that out. You kind of pull that out and then use that to pull it up too. Now we're going to take this one and pop this side out. Those handles is what you got to really pull on them and use it for leverage. You might have to step on it a little bit. See what's happening with these things. You can just kind of push them out. There you go. Same with this one here. Just take and push it out. Right there. And then this one here, just take and shut. Now, there's the inside of our blind. Take it, turn it up like this, locks up. Oh yeah, there we go. It's kind of nice. See these windows? I'll give you the inside tour here in a minute. Window there, window there. The nice thing too is if it's pouring rain, the rain will just drip right off there, come down that way. Same with this, keep it tucked in. Well, it's got windows over here too. It's got windows on all sides, so let's go in and check it out. So to get in there, kind of like a half moon shape zipper right there. Let me turn on my light. All right, let's go in. All right, here's a look from the inside. Pretty nice. You can zip it all up here. Okay. It's got these here. Oh, I see. And you can raise these and lower them, it looks like, for your blind. You kind of peek outside there. So you got 360. So these things looks like they slide up and down. Same with this. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, these things will slide all the way up and down, give you more visibility. You can have them all the way open if you want to. There we go, that's nice. As far as square footage, they call this a 3-man blind. I wouldn't put 3 men my size in here. That'd be awful tight. Really great for one guy in here. Just, you can put your chair in here. Now, I'm close to 6 feet tall, and my head's hitting the roof. So you're not gonna be able to stand all the way up in here, but pretty close. Enough room to put a nice chair and a heater if you need it. And so one of the things I need to figure out too is kind of, you know, if it's pouring rain out there and super cold, how to keep this buttoned up. And with this kind of stuff, because that wind will just make its way through there and heat will escape. So I might have to get a little creative on doing that. Then as far as the tear down, it's super easy, right? So these things, they just fold in and out. This is your hinge right here for all your sides, all 4 sides. And you know that all 4 sides are just gonna have to come in. So you can push them in or pull them in, whatever you wanna do. Here's the roof right here. Same thing with that. You just pull that on in. And so, nice little basket, storage basket here. But one thing I'm not too happy about, you got some inconsistencies in this fabric up here. In quite a few different places. And so I don't know if that's gonna leak water, whatever, but not totally happy about that. Definitely not happy about that right there. But hey, this thing was less than $100, and so can't complain too much. But yeah, this will keep me nice and warm. It'll keep you nice and warm too. You know, especially if you can figure out, I can feel that breeze. So it is warm in here actually, and it's kind of cold outside right now, but I can feel that breeze coming right in through there. So roll of duct tape maybe, whatever side you're not going to use, tape it up, because that is not a tight fit. There's no Velcro there. So I'm not a big fan of that. You can tighten it up that way, but I don't think there's any buttoning this thing up like super solid for where if it was just freaking super freezing, you could make it totally efficient, energy efficient, heat efficient. But these things will come all the way down, I think. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so these things just slide all the way down, which, okay, this is really nice here actually. So this gives you a lot of visibility, especially if you have, there we go, you have your chair in here. There, you can see out. Whole bunch of room there. Again, you get all that. I can feel that cold air coming in. So it will keep you warm in here. Unless it's super duper cold, you're gonna feel stuff like that. But hey, this is nice for, again, it's just a blind. It's not a heat, you know, not made to hold heat. So we're going, this will come all the way up too, so you can get some real good visibility out of these sides here. Same with this here. So very happy about that. You can get it on that side there. And this side's a great design, really nice design. Up, that wind's picking up. That's the other thing to think about. Stake it down if you need to. I would definitely stake this down if there's any kind of wind at all. That was just a little bit of wind and you felt this thing move. It'll act just like a sail. So, all right, yeah. Let's go take a look at the stakes and the ropes on roping this thing down. But I like it. I'm gonna get some good use out of this puppy. Put your flashlight up there, whatever. Okay, looking for more pouches there. Nope. Got this old fold-up chair. Let's see how she fits in here. Oh yeah, plenty of room. This thing's pretty sweet. There we go. Actually don't plan on staking it down right now because I'm just kind of putting it together on cement. But that'll fit nicely in there. They're nice and lightweight. Should be able just to push them in the ground. If not, you can find a rock to nail on. Here's another look at how much room you got in comparison to that chair. So you could fit one more chair just like that in there, in opposite corners probably, comfortably. Or you could have 2 people, these little folding camp chairs. Here's the handles that I was showing you earlier. This is for the assembly of it. These are the ones you're gonna want to pull. So you got one on the side, of course one on the top there, and then got another one here. Same thing for taking this thing down. There's another handle. You just want to push on it. Push it in, fold it up, pretty easy. All right, let's take this baby down. I'll pull my chair out of there first. So go ahead and zip this up. I do like that that's nice and tight. All right, let's go ahead and push this side in. Actually, I'll push in from the top first. Just push it down. There we go. Now push, so there's what the top looks like, push down. I'm gonna push on the sides. I'm gonna step on that, push it in. So it's gonna be the same thing for assembly. Step on that, push in. Step on that. There we go. Push in on that last side. Now we can fold it all up. Hey, one last thing I want to mention here. One thing that's really nice is, like, you know, when you're camping and you take your tent out of the case, it never goes back in there really easy. Not the case with this one. This one fits right back in that pack really well. No problems. And the stakes and everything, no problem. So you're ready to go. Lots of room in there. You could actually almost fit some other stuff in there if you needed to. So I do really like that. Thank you guys for the extra room in there. All right, thanks for watching.